Hello everyone, in this quick tech video I'm going to show you how to block websites on Google Chrome using a Windows machine. To begin with, we open up Google Chrome to our home page. In the search bar, we're going to look for extensions and go to the Chrome Web Store. From here in the upper left hand corner, we're going to search the store for an extension called Blockside. From here, we're going to click on the Blockside logo. And over on the right hand side, we're going to say Add to Chrome. You'll get a pop-up box here asking if you wish to add Blockside to your extensions. We're going to say Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, another website will show up saying thanks for installing Blockside and asking your permission to access information on sites you wish to visit, whether to provide insights to your web browsing habits, as well as detect and block pages with adult or any other unwanted content. This is an added feature. You can either accept or click maybe later as you prefer. Either way, this will not interfere with the function of how Blockside works for blocking URLs. Once you've made your choice, on the next page, there's a list of Blockside's features with a window demonstrating how the extension works. We can click Continue. The next page is some paid options that you can either choose one or click Skip. You're now ready to start blocking URLs. You can either type the name here or do a copy-paste of the website you wish to block and then click Add Item. For example, we'll say facebook.com and Add Item. As you can see, Facebook is now added to a Blockside list. If you wish to unblock it, simply click the trash can icon over on the right hand side and it will remove it from the Blockside list. Alternately, if you go visit a website that you wish to block, you can click on the extension icon, which is the jigsaw puzzle in the upper right hand corner, and pin Blockside. This gives us a shield icon that we can now click and block the site from there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.